Okay, let's continue now. What do you want to check? You want to check the radiator, the oil? You want to check if it's burning oil? You want to check if it's missing. Now, it's common for these machines to have like a little pop pop, and you'll hear that rain cap up there kind of hitting and making a little tinging sound. That's not a bad deal. Plugs need to be cleaned or something like that. But the real test is this. You turn this machine on and you put it into idle mode, and you put it in whatever range you want. I'd start over here. You can start at any of them. 90 is very low. I'd start higher, but wherever. You want to go through each one of these ranges, and this is what you want to do. You want to have the rheostat turned all the way down, and you want to ground it out. You stick this rod, and you just stick it. It's not going to weld an arc, and it's making a complete circuit. And then you reach over here and you turn this rheostat up slowly to 100 in each range. And you should hear that engine idle up. And it should be smooth. What it's doing, the engine is idling up to get you that current you want. You shouldn't hear any popping or missing, or it's struggling. And you go up through the ranges, particularly 240 is next to max. You turn the rheostat down, short it out, turn it up slowly. The engine should rev up the higher you go until it's maxed out and it's kind of laboring. And then the last one, that's the real killer right here, max. You do the same thing in max. Ground it out, set it on 0, ground it out, turn it up, and if this machine's got anything serious wrong with it, you should hear it start missing and cutting up. It could be a bad mag that can't keep up. It could be a lot of things, but that's a bad sign right there. If you idle it up and it sounds good, you're in pretty good territory. I wouldn't buy a welding machine used SA200 unless it was a minimum $2,000. It could probably be too junky, but somewhere $2,000, $3,000, depending on what's done to it, would be a good place to start.